Greetings again. I'm here to tell you about the person who admires me, Mr. S.M. Gwejana. Brilliant teacher, at the same time passionate about education. A teacher who is handsome, always neat and dressed nicely. A person who does not want any to be disrespected. Mr. S.M. Gwejana is a person who is obsessed about education, who wants the community youth to be future doctors and presidents. Who would deny his education? No one. Too much experience, almost like a president. Children to be future businesswomen and businessmen. Happy person and does not want anything to do about his learners. He is like our father, our brother, and our savior. Thank you for your love you gave me. I am the person I am today because of you. You taught me very well, and I am grateful about that. Thanks again. Thank you.